Hey, how's it going? It's Ari here. Do me a big favor, if this is your first time on the channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button down below and tap the bell icon so you can be notified of all future videos on this channel. And of course, if you find today's video helpful, give it a thumbs up as that lets me know that you like these kinds of videos and you want to see more. So, starting today, what I'm actually going to be doing is I'm going to be starting a brand new step-by-step training series that's going to show you how to create a full-time income online. More specifically, how to turn a $20 investment, as little as a $20 investment, into thousands of dollars, potentially five-figure per month income. Or if you're looking to create even more than that, then this training series is going to show you exactly how to do that. So anyways, this training series I'm going to be starting is going to be featured on this YouTube channel, and by the time that you're watching this video, there's going to be a link to somewhere down below that's going to take you over to a playlist that's going to include all the videos from day 0, which is the first video you're watching right now, the intro video, and then day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, and then, so on and so forth, and you'll be able to watch these videos pretty much in order. Now, what I recommend doing first and foremost is, if you can, try to save this playlist to your device somehow. So I think if you are on the YouTube app, you can click on where it says add all to, and you could just save this playlist to your YouTube account. If you're on desktop, you could press Control D on your keyboard or Command D, depending on the device you're on. That'll bookmark this page and the playlist that you're on right now, and then you could simply just refer back to this any point. Anything that you could do to save this to your device, you could easily just come back to it any point and just easily refer back to these videos step by step. So I want to first and foremost show you exactly what is possible with what I'm going to be revealing in this series before we of course get started, and then of course I will dive into what we're going to be leveraging in this series, what program that we're going to be using, and then also how to get access to it, right? So first things first, fun fact about this is I actually did another series very similar to the one that you're on right now. It's actually this old series right here, where I basically showed how to create a full-time income with high-ticket affiliate marketing. What I did with this series is I promoted a program that pays out monthly residual income as well as with other income streams. And so basically what I did is I showed myself promoting this exact program right here, which so far has paid me almost $9,000 in from monthly residual income, which is pretty cool, right? So I'm gonna be doing a very similar thing, in this series, but it's going to be for a different program that we're going to be promoting. And fun fact about this one is I only joined this new program about, I want to say, like less than a week ago, and within like 3 days of joining it, I already broke even on my investment, which is really cool. And then now because of it, I don't have to pay the monthly fee anymore, which is really cool. So I'll of course get into that in a little bit as well. But what I recommend doing is first and foremost, you're going to want to open up a new tab, or try to open up the it's going to be the first link down below. It will be Secret Profit System right here, secretprofitsystem.com. You're going to want to go to this link right here, and this is going to take you over to the page that will explain more about, what this is. It'll give you kind of a sneak peek on exactly what you will, of course, get access to. And, can you copy and paste, follow the 3 steps right here. And so all you want to do is simply just enter your email and then click the button right here, and that will take you over to the video that will, explain more about how this works and all the benefits of this program and really all that type of stuff right there. So you don't have to watch that video right now at the second. What I recommend is, keep this video open, but of course get to this page right here, and then I'm going to explain more about what's exactly possible with this, and exactly what I recommend doing when you first get started with this, right? So don't sign up to anything just yet. Stick with me here, and then I'll pretty much explain, how to get started, right? So I want to show you exactly what's possible with this system right here. So what's really cool about this exact program that we're going to be leveraging is this is a great way not only to earn very lucrative monthly recurring income, but this is also a really great way to save money as well, which I'll of course explain a little bit shortly in this video, which is really exciting. So just to give you an idea, here's a member right here by the name of Jason Perez, who received a payment of $149.70. By the way, this pays out every Wednesday. So every Wednesday you get paid your commissions that you've earned throughout that week, the past 7 days, and then you of course get sent straight to your method of choice, right? So direct deposit, prepaid card, any of that type of stuff right there. Anyways, we have another member here, Brogan Snyder, got a payment of $296.50. Really amazing right there. Here we have another member by the name of Kirsty, who within that particular week had already been at 800 bucks, over 800 bucks in residual income, which is really great. Here we have another payment, 1,470 bucks right here, and then we have another one which is over $4,000 right here. Now, let me ask you a question. If you're able to get, say an extra 500 per week, or 1,000 per week, or 2,000 or 3,000 or 4,000, or any sort of four-figure amount, and you're able to do that consistently every single week, or even just like an amount like this every month, what would that allow you to do? Really think about that for a minute. If you were able to consistently generate four-figure income online every single month, or maybe five-figure income, or just a consistent monthly amount, whatever your full-time income goal is, what would that allow you to do? Would that allow you to maybe perhaps quit your job, spend more time with family? Maybe you want to travel more, go to more restaurants, order from left to right versus right to left. I think you know what I'm referring to, or you order what you want from that restaurant versus just looking at the cheapest price tag. You know what I mean? So really think about what that would allow you to do. Do you feel like this would have any sort of positive impact on your mood throughout the day, or in general, right? So that right there, just to show you, just to give you an idea in terms of what is possible. Now, I also mentioned that this is not only a great way to earn income online, but this program also allows you to save money as well, right? So just to give you an idea, here we have a member by the name of Miar T-Rod. Not sure how to pronounce the name. So excited. Had to take a last-minute trip to Orlando, so thought I'd check out what the travel engine has to offer. Saved $91 on a 4-star hotel. Not super expensive, but $90 is still savings for me. So as you can see right here, congrats, you saved $90 and earned 200 rewards points, which is really great. And so if you haven't caught on already, this program that we're going to be promoting in this training series is actually a savings program. So this allows you to save money with their training, with their savings portal, as well as earn money simply by promoting it, which is really great, right? So again, this is just one example right here. We have other ones. Here's a member by the name of Kyle. Hello to all my amazing fam and friends. Just saved $528 on home and auto insurance thanks to this membership. So let me ask you another question. If you are spending money on any sort of expenses like your home, your car, your gas, groceries, electricity, travel, anything like that, any sort of expense that you spend on regularly, why not save money on that? Why not, if you're able to get discounts on that stuff, why not cut back on expenses without having to actually, give up, spending money on groceries, if you know what I mean, right? So if you are spending money on groceries, for example, if you're going to be spending money on food anyway, why not get the best deals possible? So that's exactly what this program allows you to do, is to save money on your everyday expenses, right? So again, I could show another example right here. This is from Daniel Kump. All I could say is, wow, my wife and I scored tickets to the Garth Brooks concert, bucket list for May 21st. When I started looking for local hotel rooms, my jaw hit the floor because all the local hotels price gouging and jacking up the cost of the rooms when a big artist comes to town like Garth. So I jumped in the travel portal and boom, found a hotel right in town, right around the corner. And check it out. We saved almost $1,000 on that, right? So again, this is just to give you an idea in terms of what this program allows you to do, not just from an earning standpoint, but also from a savings standpoint. And based on what I've seen with their savings portal, these are some of the best savings that I've personally found online. I've looked at a lot of other savings or discount sites, and the savings that you get with this one, especially when it comes to things like travel, are absolutely phenomenal. And when it comes to car insurance, home insurance, they really find you the best deals possible, which is just another really great benefit of joining this. So another great way to look at this is with the savings aspect alone. So this isn't even including like the business side of it. You're already going to be offsetting the cost of joining the program right from the get-go, which is just it's absolutely insane right there, right? So again, that's just to give you an idea. Now, again, what I'm going to be doing with this training series coming up is I'm going to be showing you day by day, step by step, how to promote this as someone who is either brand new, so if you've never done any sort of, affiliate marketing or any sort of online marketing before, if you are new to making money online, I'm going to show you exactly how to promote this as someone who's completely brand new, as well as maybe you're someone who is more experienced and you want to increase your results even more using what I show you. So I'm going to show you exactly how to go about promoting this. And so I've done that with this other program right here. I've got a lot of really great feedback from it, and I'm going to be doing the same thing with this new program right here. And what's also really great about this is that you are also going to be getting a free funnel that you can simply replicate simply by joining my team, which is going to be down below, right? So when you get plugged into this exact program via the link down below, you join specifically through my link, you're going to be given access to done for you capture pages, sales videos, and all of the email follow-up is going to be done for you. So what does this mean for you exactly? Well, this means that the only thing that you really have to learn how to do with this exact series and with this program in general is simply learning how to get eyeballs to your capture page link. So you're going to be given a web page that looks just like this. You get your own replicated version of this, and whenever you refer people to this and they opt in, they decide to buy the program, those sales are going to be tracked back to you, and you will of course earn the commission whenever someone signs up. So I think by this point I've went over pretty much everything that you're going to be getting. Now what I recommend doing right now is going to the first link down below. Again, you're going to want to enter your email into this page right here. Click the button. That will take you over to the video that will explain more about how it all works. This will also explain more about how the compensation plan works. And when you see exactly how it works, you will be absolutely mind blown by how simple it is, and also by how lucrative it is as well. So I recommend watching this video right here. And then what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to get started with one of the product packages. So the question is, where do I recommend getting started if you are someone who is completely brand new? So obviously you can start with the $20 per month membership. That will give you access to your basic savings. So, savings on like groceries and car insurance, home insurance, and all that type of stuff right there, as well as savings on travel. And then of course you could promote the different product packages and earn 50% commission across the board with each package, right? And it also pays monthly residual commissions as well. Now, what I recommend doing, if you are someone who really wants to maximize your earning potential, again, with the same amount of work that we're going to be doing in this upcoming series, same amount of work, if you want to maximize your earning potential, what I recommend is join at one of the higher levels. In particular, the one that I recommend most is the Titanium Founder level right here at $199 a month. And I know what you might be thinking, yes, paying $200 a month might sound like a lot initially. However, the benefit with this is with the savings aspect alone, you're already going to be offsetting the costs. And if that isn't enough, what's also really great is with this training series, I'm going to show you exactly how to promote this. And there's a very good chance that if you follow, of course I can't give any sort of, guarantees, but if you follow everything that I show you in the upcoming videos, and you, of course, you start promoting it, you start driving lots of traffic, which I'm going to show you how to do, then there's a very good chance that you might not even have to pay, the following months. You might only have to pay just one time, because when you refer 4 members at whatever product level that you come in at, your membership is going to be free. So you're going to continue getting all the benefits, all the savings benefits, and you're also going to be able to earn money with this program as well by promoting it, which is really great. And of course, another really great benefit is you're also going to be eligible to receive like commission bonuses when you start referring a bunch of members, and you also help them as well, which again, this video explains more about how this all works right there. So the way that you want to look at this is join at the level that you value yourself at, right? So if you only value yourself at $20 a month, you could join here. You could still do very well with the $20 per month membership, and you could still follow everything that I show you. However, if you want to maximize your earnings, again, I recommend stretching yourself. See if you could try stretching yourself a bit. Do what you can to get yourself positioned right here from the get-go, or even the platinum level is a great place to start as well. But I recommend joining at the highest level possible, and then following the training that I'm going to give you, on this channel, and that is going to help you offset the cost of joining this program. It's going to help you make your account free, which I was able to do within 3 days of joining this program. And then also, if you follow everything that I show you, you could realistically turn this into a full-time income online, if you of course follow this to the T. So again, all you have to do is simply go down below, enter your email on this page, watch this video right here, select a product package to come in at, and then you're going to want to fill out this form right here. So you select the box right here to select whatever package you want to come in at. So titanium, platinum, or gold. Do that right there. And then also create a site name, fill out the basic information right here, and then of course get signed up. So once you of course signed up to the program, then all you have to do is simply move on to the next video, video number 1, which is going to reveal how to get everything set up. And then from there, it's going to be all a matter of, I'm going to show you day by day exactly what I do to promote this exact program. And all you have to do is simply follow in my footsteps, follow exactly what I do. And I promise, if you follow exactly what I reveal, then you could definitely get some phenomenal results with this exact program. So anyways, go ahead, go down below, get started today. And my friend, I will see you on the inside. Take care, all the best. See you in the next video.